Good morning guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Anna. Today a little bit different than my usual videos. I'm super excited today. I'm heading to the workshop with Marlene in Middlesbrough. Marlene is a wonderful designer. She's designing stencils for the crafty workshop. She's also working with Studio Light. She's got a wonderful collection of stamps and other mediums, watercolors, so have a look. I will keep you posted. So I've arrived. I'm in Middlesbrough now. Take a look at this beautiful view. It's just absolutely sensational. Look at this beautiful place. It's just perfect spot for the workshop, don't you think? Amazing, amazing, amazing. And here is my bag full of goodies for the workshop ready. Also I'd like to thank you very much to my lovely friend Magda for making this possible, for taking me to this place, to Middlesbrough. Thank you so much, Magda. You are a star. Kisses for you. And stay tuned. I will keep you posting with progress on this day.